Hi friends, welcome to Rianza Bakes. Today I've come with another bread recipe, the easiest bread you can ever make. Once you make this bread, I'm sure you will start baking breads more frequently and stop buying bread from the shop. This is such a soft and fluffy bread and very easy to make. There are quite a few bread recipes in the channel. If you're interested, please do check it out. So let us see how to make this easy bread. This is a no-knead overnight bread recipe. So we do the mixing at night. So now it is 10:30 p.m. So we'll take 320 ml of lukewarm water in a bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon of instant yeast and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it. If you're using active dry yeast, just activate the yeast and add the flour. Here I am adding 100 grams of whole wheat flour. Mix it well into the liquid, and then we'll add 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and we'll mix this together. Just mix it using the spatula like this and make it into a dough, and we'll allow it to rest for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or softened butter also you can use, and then again mix the dough like this using the spatula till the oil is properly incorporated into the dough. Now we'll again cover it with cling film and allow it to rest overnight. So next morning at 6 o'clock, now our dough has risen well. We'll deflate the dough like this, again using the spatula. And we'll transfer this onto a floured surface. The dough is a little sticky, so we'll add some flour onto the work surface and transfer the dough onto it. Using hands dusted with flour, we'll spread it like this and roll it into a tight loaf. Pinch the edges, and we'll transfer this into a well greased loaf tin. Here I have taken a 9-inch loaf pan, and press it well and allow it to rest till it doubles in size. Now the dough is doubled in size. We'll brush some ghee or melted butter and bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes or till the bread is done. Now brush some ghee on top of this when it is still hot, and remove it onto a wire rack and allow it to cool thoroughly, and our bread is ready. After cooling, we'll slice the bread. It's so easy to make this bread. Just using your spatula, you can mix it and leave it overnight and bake it the next morning to have nice, soft and fluffy bread. Hope you liked the video. Do try the recipe and let me know how it turns out. And if you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and leave your valuable feedback and suggestions. Thank you so much. Bye.